I see you trying to hide your thinning hair. I used to do it too. But then I found a permanent solution. Okay, so listen, I was so insecure about my hairline receding, especially at my temples. Like I couldn't tie my hair up at the gym. I would wear hats. And swimming? Forget about it. My hair would be slicked back in the pool and I would be all scalp. And then I found John at Scalp Designs and yo girl got her life back. So if you've never heard of it, there's a hair replacement tattoo procedure called SMP, which stands for Scalp Micro Pigmentation. Basically, John uses 100% organic charcoal ink to tattoo teeny tiny dots on your scalp. This covers natural separations associated with thinning hair and makes it look like you have voluminous hair. He specializes in creating an underlying effect so it looks completely natural. Besties, I can't explain the magic, I just rock it. And John is dope, you guys. He explained the whole process to me thoroughly and then had me come back a month later to make sure that everything was filled. Here's a photo where you can see that thinning hair spot. Ugh. And here's a photo with my hair pulled back in braids and that spot is gone. And if you're one of those girlies that's using makeup to fill in your thinning spots like I was doing, stop. This will not come off in the water or while you're sweating. SMP is permanent. Like, I can go on vacations again and not have anxiety over my hairline. And it does not feel like how these did. It's more like an acupuncture needle. Y'all can handle it. So if you've got insecurities and are suffering from thinning hair, hit up John and he'll help you out. Follow for more info on SMP.